Hello everybody, glad to see you here. If you want to know how to add copyright-free music from YouTube to your video in DaVinci Resolve, when you found the right video, let me tell you. First of all, let's open up a browser and go to YouTube. Now at the top right, click on your profile icon and select YouTube Studio. Okay, and now on the left side, find the audio library button. So this is the special page on YouTube where you can find free to use music. You can just download it and use in your videos. So for example, I like this one. Let's try to download it. Just hover your mouse over the necessary music and click on download. Okay, after that, you'll find this song in your downloads history. Let's just drop this music to my desktop. Okay, and now all you need to do is just drag and drop this music to DaVinci Resolve. Well, this is how you can add song and music from YouTube library to your DaVinci Resolve project. Hope my video was helpful. Please subscribe and like. Goodbye.